Good morning, everybody on YouTube. It's Rick Thomas from Obsolete Video Services. Hey, guys. All right, we got these two tapes done for the client. These are from 1967, Away We Go TV show, done on a skip field series, which I wanted to show you guys a little bit about the video cleanup with AI, especially on these type of recordings. But anyways, this is a 1967 skip field. And what a skip field video recorder actually does, it's actually it's a one video head scan of the image, meaning the information is scanned with one head and recorded with one head. It's prior to, like, when EIAJ came out, it had two field, which is two video heads. That's two scans, giving it more information. So the EIAJ videos look a lot better than the skip fields because you're only getting a one video head scan of information. And at the time with the TVs and things like that, that's not really that big of a deal, and it wasn't all that noticeable quality-wise back during the day. But now that you're using flat screen TVs and other technology, boy oh boy, you could sure see the difference between the quality of a skip field and EIAJ. All right, I wanted to show you guys something. Now, this is the original file. Now, I want to show you, it is loaded with noise. I don't know if you guys can see the noise in the picture. See all that noise? That's loaded with noise because the quality of the black and white of the RF envelope recording the video, it's just the way the machine was designed. Very, very noisy machine. So lots of noise in it. Okay? So when you're working with the skip field, you'll get a good picture. But for modern day flat screen TVs and production and different things, people like to try to clean them up because the noise level on these type of recordings is quite high. So just going to show you a little bit of this one. As you can see, there's lots of noise in the picture. You can see it, I mean, static noise, not glitches, but the static noise itself is quite high. All right. But, you know, it's not really that bad. But when you're watching flat screen TVs or flat screen monitors, it's quite noticeable. So this is a good recording in black and white, but it was just done on a very primitive black and white machine that wasn't using two video heads for scanning. It was just using one, which created not a great detail in the recording, and the noise factor is quite high. All right, so when we get out of this, let's go to the one that I cleaned up, and you'll see with AI drops a lot of that static noise out of the picture. See how much cleaner that is? It drops all that static out of there, so the video looks a lot better during playback. And then when you just scoot up a little bit, you'll notice that all that noise is gone behind the images. And what AI does is it analyzes the video, and basically what doesn't belong there it takes out, but it doesn't interfere with the images. You know, it doesn't change them, trying to make them look like they're plastic or anything like that. This is a true AI cleanup. It's not like several programs that don't do that great of a job, but I've been really pleased with this one. The AI program I use is HitPaw, HITPAW, and they're always giving you updates, and they're always fixing glitches and different things. But this software works very, very well, and it drops all that static RF noise in the picture, which is really, really bad and noticeable in black and white recordings. So this does a really, really good job considering. So when you actually look at one that's cleaned up and you could drop the noise out of it, compared to an original, which has all this noise factor in it, and there's quite a bit of noise factor in it. I mean, man, oh man, these skip fields were very, very noisy. So anyways, I just thought I'd show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing on the cleanup for these two videos for the customer. And when they're in black and white, like I said, the noise level is so much more prevalent compared compared to if it was in color. But unfortunately, a skip field half-inch machine on top of a tape stock and everything else, it's just severely, the noise level is just very annoying. So, but you can with AI clean it up and drop that out. It doesn't interfere with your images at all. It does a really, really good job. So like I said, AI, if you really want to have good videos, I highly recommend using AI cleanup software. It does a really, really good job. Hope you enjoyed this video.